My first attempt to do Brazo de Mercedes with Ube Filling. Ingredients: Ube Halaya, condensed milk, fresh milk, egg yolks, egg white, custard sugar, icing sugar, butter, and cream of tartar. Turn on the heat and let the water boil. Put a bowl of egg yolk, fresh milk, butter, condensed milk, then stir. Add your ube halaya and constantly stir. Add ube essence or food coloring. Continue stirring until the butter melts. The butter is not melting well, so I decided to put it on the tefal on a direct heat. As you can see, the butter melts immediately. Stir constantly until you reach the consistency like this. Your ube halaya filling is ready. Now, set aside to cool down. It's time to do the meringue. First, beat the egg white. Add the cream of tartar and custard sugar little by little. Until you reach the peak, then set aside. Prepare your greaseproof paper and baking pan. Then turn on your oven at 180 degrees. Put your meringue in the greaseproof paper and spread it evenly. Put your meringue inside the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Now, your meringue is cooked. Wet a paper towel and cover the meringue to stop drying while cooling. After 45 minutes, your meringue is already cold. Take off the towel. Prepare another greaseproof paper. Sip icing sugar on it. Flip over the meringue onto the sifted icing sugar. Slowly peel off the greaseproof paper from your meringue. Spread your Ube Halaya filling on your meringue. It's time to roll your Brazo de Mercedes. Cut off both ends. Transfer your Brazo de Mercedes on your serving plate. Arrange it on your table and sift more icing sugar. Cut your Brazo de Mercedes and it's ready to serve. This cake is very nice to serve this Christmas or in any occasion. Hope you like it.